how to make a custom product page with Elementor. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can get started with creating a custom product page in Elementor. So let's jump right in. Now, with WordPress, website building can seem to be so difficult, but using Elementor can help you in creating interesting and sophisticated product pages with a few simple clicks. And I'll also show you guys an additional plugin that can enable WooCommerce features within Elementor for free. So let's jump right in. Now, the first step that you're going to take is you're going to log into your WordPress dashboard. And you're going to go into plugins and then click on add new plugin to add your new plugin. From here, we're going to be using two plugins. So first off, we have WooCommerce that we are going to use as our gateway to sell products to launch our e-commerce store on WordPress. Now, as you are installing that, it will take a couple of seconds to install, and you can just click on activate over here. Once you do that, you want to do the same process and install and activate the Elementor plugin. So simply go ahead and log on to WooCommerce and click on go to my store and just set up your WooCommerce store. Once your store setup is completed, you can proceed on to the next step, which is adding Elementor. So we're going to click on add new plugin again, and we are going to search for Elementor and we're going to add Elementor as our plugin. So I'm going to click on install now, and once I'm installing this, I'm going to wait for it to be installed, and then I'll click on activate. Once I click on activate, this will enable me to create WordPress websites with Elementor. So we're just going to skip with these onboarding questions. And once we do that, we can just proceed back into our WordPress dashboard to proceed with Elementor pages. By default, Elementor does create a singular page. You can delete this later on as well. Now I'm going to exit back into my dashboard. And once we do that, we can go on ahead and use some other plugins to enable WooCommerce compatibility with Elementor. Now, by default, WooCommerce creates all of these pages, and I will create a sample product so you guys can actually see how we're going to edit product pages. So we're going to go into products on the left and then click on create product. Once you click on create product, add your product info. So this is going to be our linen blouse, like this. And then after that, we can add description. We can also add media. So I will click on select files and upload our product files like you normally would. So till now, it's pretty much the same process as you normally would have when building your WordPress product page or WooCommerce product page. And I'm just going to wait for these to be uploaded. So, and I'll just click on insert into product, waiting for all of these to be installed. Add media, and we're just going to add all of these media files like so. Once done, we can go ahead and add our product data. So we have our regular price and our sale price. Then we also can manage inventory and much more, all the regular features that you have on WooCommerce. Click on publish on the top right, and once you've done that, your first product page will be created. Now go back into all product and you will have the option to edit. Once you click on edit over here, this will actually edit the product, not the product page. But if you take a look at your published site, you can actually see the permalink for the particular product, and you can open this up and then click on edit site. Once you click on edit site over here, this will open up the WordPress site editor. Now, this is just a singular product template page, and you can build your own template pages as you personally would prefer. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into visit store under my store dashboard. And once we do that, we can go on ahead and click on edit site. And once you click on edit site, you can have two ways to edit your product. So you can either use the default layout and just make some simple edits that you normally can make with WordPress as well. Or if you want, you can go on ahead and create your own individual product page. So for that, I like to go ahead and use Elementor, and I'm going to go into pages on the left. Once I go into pages, I'm going to take the same page that I just created. So I'll click on add new page, and I will create this new page called product page, and I click on edit with Elementor. Once I do that, it will say Elementor 30, which is going to be the page name. And we can edit that later on, but from here, I want to start building my page. So first off, I'll add a heading, which is going to be elevate your style with our linen blouse like this. And then after that, we can add another widget. We can add a flex box, a grid. Now you might say, hey, if I'm trying to add more elements here, it actually does not allow us to add elements which are WooCommerce compatible. So if you close up the sections on the left, you will see these pro features, and WooCommerce has all pro features. To be able to get access to these product features, you're going to use an additional plugin. So simply click on publish over here to just publish your Elementor page, and then exit back into your WordPress dashboard. From there, you're going to install the ShopLentor plugin, which allows you to get access to premium WordPress and Elementor compatibility features. Simply search for ShopLentor over here. And once you search for ShopLentor, this is the plugin you want to install. Click on Install Now to install this plugin. And once you click on Install, click on Activate. Now, once you have clicked on Activate, you will proceed onto the settings, and you can just proceed with the free version. You don't need the pro version of this. So once you've done that, you can go back into your pages, and you're going to open up your Elementor page 30, click on Edit with Elementor. And now on the left panel of your Elementor editor, you're going to be able to see a separate drop-down called ShopLentor. And from here, we can add our products, we can add our product tab. So I can add my product tab over here, like so, and choose my product settings. You can also go on ahead and add individual product images, product ratings, and include all product info. However, even with ShopLentor, there are certain limitations, such as things like your product grids, which cannot be inserted for free. Now, to build my product page, I want to have a universal product layout inserted, and I want this to be pretty simple and, basic. Now, after that, I don't want this section, and I want to maybe include more info at the bottom, so I can go ahead into content, go into layout or basic, and add more content down below. And in this way, with a few simple and easy steps, you can create custom product pages using Elementor and ShopLentor for WordPress. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.